Mapagania. A big game coming over the weekend. Marumo Gallants, Orlando Pirates. We all know that is going to be a very difficult game for both teams, by the way. Remember last season, Pirates traveled to Bloemfontein and were beaten by Coach Wadu there. This time around, Coach Wadu is in our dressing room. He's the man that is steering our ship now. So, but also this season, we went to Bloemfontein and we lost that game by 2-1. But maybe before I go there, after they lost in Bloemfontein, they came to Orlando Stadium and they were humiliated. We embarrassed them. We beaten them 8-1. And then we went back to Bloemfontein this season. We beaten 2-1. I think by that time they also acquired a new coach, Coach Alexandre Lafite. He's a French coach, not a new coach in a continent. It's a coach that have won the Ivorian League with Stade Abidjan. So he's not a small boy. He's quite a strong coach. If you can look into his team now, his team is doing very well. You also have 2 former players that are playing for him, former players of the Orlando Pirates. Ndlondlo, that is scoring goals almost in each and every game that they are playing. You also have Otladisa, who I think, in my opinion, he has found his form. He's doing very well. But it's going to be a very difficult game for them. Remember, Pirates is now on song. Pirates is playing very well. You've got players that are going to change that game. I think the player that is capable to change things there, it's Relebile Mofokeng is going to make a serious impact in that game. You've got Apolis, you've got Moremi. I so wish that Moremi can just release the ball quicker when the team is attacking, because sometimes when it takes time to release the ball, by the time he releases the ball, all the the spaces are closed. Mbule in the middle of the park, I know is going to give us something. He's going to cook. You also have Namdangela. Namdangela understands them. He knows them. Remember, he comes from Marumo Gallants. He came with Coach Wadu. He knows their limitations. So it's going to be very, very difficult for Marumo Gallant. I think Pirates is just going to suffocate them. The other issue that is, which I will say gives Orlando Pirates an upper hand, the fact that we are now going to the Christmas and the New Year, having them as number 1 on the log. I can tell you now, that on its own gives, an oomph or a strength to Orlando Pirates to say, look, you can do this. So it's going to be quite a nice game. But I think Pirates will come back victorious in that game. The Carling Black Label Cup this season, it's ours. We're taking it. And the score for that particular game is going to be 2-0. Dallas Kishwabule Cup is Kishwabuma, Gacy, Abo, what. Siyayifuna le cup, we want it. Siyifune Orlando. And definitely it Mapagania Ozane Stadium, because Siyayithatha lento, the score is 2-0. And that's how it's going to end. Siyabonga Mapagania. Oi, oi.
Hi, this is Tabo Soroka from Wilford on Extension 10. Mr. Chairman, Mr. Picasso. I'm sending this video to my brother Nobo, 2010 Sharp Eye, for the game on Saturday, Orlando Pirates versus Marumo Gallants for the Carling Cup. It's the Carling Black Label Cup final. I think Pirates is the first one they've been into in a while, but this season we made sure that we get there. Looking at the both teams, Marumo Gallants is a team that is well coached. I have so much respect for that coach, 28-year-old. If you really look, there is no no game that is played that you can't see that he is a very good coach. The players also, they I think they listen to the coach and they apply whatever instruction that the coach has given them. And the experience of Washington Orubi from the back plays a good role. In fact, plays a big role as a team because he's got very good leadership qualities, which put them in a very good position. Even when they play, you can see when they lose the ball, they try to get the ball. They know how to press in certain areas. They know how to move the ball. They know how to get to the final third and create chances to score. So I think Marumo Gallants on Saturday is going to give us a very tough time. But coming to Orlando Pirates, Pirates is a very well-oiled machine at the moment. Players are really, really hungry, well coached. Coach very smart and very unpredictable because you don't know what is the starting lineup of Orlando Pirates. But on the day, whoever is put on the field of play does his best to perform to the fans and make sure that they win the games. Pirates has been on a very long winning streak, so the game on Saturday, I think, is just to seal everything that they've worked hard for in the last season after losing coach Jose Rivero. But I think we will lift the cup on Saturday. Score prediction could be between 2-1, 3-1 and 4-1 because Ozinopolis is always hungry to score. Mahopa is hungry to score. Moremi is hungry to score. Mufukeng is hungry to score. Bata is hungry to score. So you've got a lineup with Pirates that is going to that they make sure those boys that they play their hearts out for the badge, and they're very, very hungry and they play very good football. So, but I'm not taking away anything away from Marumo Gallants, and I'm not undermining them. And I think they're going to give us a very tough time. So, good luck to both teams on Saturday, especially Amapagania. Hope that we'll lift the cup. Izandla from cup, like the cup, the black label, so hopefully this is Jima ngalo Saturday. Monday sizogqokisa amarabhurabhu ngoba nje lela cup lelana lizobe lisindile. So good luck to Amapagania, good luck also to Marumo Gallants, but thina ke si up the bucks bafethu sizibopha ndodo emnyama.